The VASAGLE BARNET collection Kitchen Baker's Rack is designed for anyone looking to make better use of kitchen space, while keeping frequently used appliances and accessories organized in one convenient location. With a compact 23.6-inch width, it offers a practical footprint for smaller kitchens, apartments, or coffee corners without taking up more room than necessary. The four-tier layout creates dedicated storage areas that help separate larger appliances from everyday essentials, making it easier to keep countertops clear and workspaces more organized. One feature that stands out is the built-in power outlet. Instead of placing appliances wherever the nearest wall socket happens to be, this design allows small kitchen appliances, such as a microwave or coffee maker, to be positioned more conveniently on the rack itself. This can simplify daily routines and reduce cable clutter around the kitchen, especially when multiple appliances are used throughout the day. The included 8S hooks add another layer of functionality by providing an easy place to hang cooking utensils, mugs, towels, or other lightweight kitchen accessories. Keeping these items within reach can improve workflow while also freeing up shelf space for larger items. Rather than simply offering storage, the rack is designed to organize a variety of kitchen essentials in a way that keeps everything accessible. Its modern styling allows it to fit into a range of home interiors, making it suitable not only as a microwave stand, but also as a coffee bar or general-purpose kitchen storage station. The multiple shelves give users flexibility to arrange appliances, pantry items, decorative pieces, or serving accessories according to their needs, making the unit adaptable as those needs change over time. An adjustable design element also adds versatility, allowing the storage configuration to better accommodate items of different heights. This can be especially useful for kitchens, where appliance sizes vary or storage needs change over time. Potential buyers should remember that the relatively compact width is ideal for maximizing space efficiency, rather than replacing a large pantry or full kitchen island. Those with extensive storage requirements may still need additional shelving, but for everyday kitchen organization, coffee station setups, or creating a dedicated appliance center, the design strikes a practical balance between capacity and space-saving convenience. Overall, the combination of four-tier storage, integrated power access, hanging hooks, and a modern appearance makes this rack a thoughtful solution for keeping a kitchen organized while making daily appliance use more convenient.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.